Play Pibaro, Ipinang Subhai Pi, Sakit Kami, Baki Kubor, Baman Kasmi.
Kadarang Tourism Promotion and Development Society ringkat kajingat relang bat Tour Operators Association of Meghalaya da kajingarap ling baga Sorkar Jilla kalayo ya ka training na kabenta kinong kieng ling bat kinong tray kum ki guide hadarang tourist spot. Kinongwan ay jing hikay kiday na ka life saving Mumbai kibalat tibet baha ha kani ka kam. Kani ka jing ay jing hikay kaday nakabenta kilay pusaw ngot kiblajet kerpang nakasnong darang ban pentibet kumno ban ay jing erap ya kinongwan jingo kay hakapor bakingam lani hakinu kinu ki jing jaman saw kibadan kam jing erap bakirki. Kini kibalasya ay jing hikay kilayo shibon ki jing tip ba jing start banyarap ikibriyo kum habangam jilom urlani hap kelon kensan kiba accident bat kiwe. Kilayo ru ikajing hikay kerpang nakabenta ka CPR cardiopulmonary resuscitation habadon bashitom. Nadu mentah darang tourist spot ladon kinong tray bakerpang ban ay jing erap habadon ka jingja bakerki. Kiba ki khot kum ki lifeguard bat ki paj ba ki la banwat ekini kinong tray ladadon kam haba ki wan shadarang. Uba reaching Son Kongwang, Chairman Kadarang Tourism Promotion and Development Society, uloong bakalong ka jingkemen ka bakraw, bakatanat tourism, ka Sorkar Jilla, kelas ngap ya ka jingkerpat ka society, ban ay kum kini ki jat jing hikay ya ki khun samla ka shnong, ki batray ha ki kam nya liang, bat ki guide hadarang tourist spot. Kam tam ban yo jing hikay ha ka shnong lejong, bat kaway ka jingkerpat na kaliang society ka Sorkar, ling bakatanat tourism, bakan yarap ban ay kitiar kitar kum ki life jacket spine board wheelchair ki telai ki saving bank bat ki wei ki badon kam ha ka baya day bat kani ka jing ai jing hikai khnang ba onla shisha banyarap hi pat ba ha ka por badon ki jingja men saw lani ngam
Pull the bamboo and the victim will come to the boat. Once he's at the boat, then you put him behind. Oh yeah.
Already explained.
Again, the bamboo comes on the shoulder, victim is holding, you pull slowly. Once the victim comes to the boat,
Close.
ask him to hold on the boat. Okay? Then how to take it up, we'll show that thing in the water.
Entah malah I disket man dene de shoulder tala grip isi grip kan tu sket na tapate. Tala pate la pau haleng ai kham na leng ta non kun teu una ha tong leng kata em kam hiam mak ni.
Okay?
Okay.
Right? Now, we're putting them in the water. You see how exactly to be done. But before that, we'll also show the rope.
Yeah.
So everything then goes inside. Also, we'll show you how to do it. So now we're showing the rope.
Kene to pakamo kita cenge ngam cenge. Dum de ke chat na tu skin.
Don't coil like this, like this, like this, like this.
Oh ntar man.
No.
No.
You throw.
Tor no.
So how you coil? Two style. One is normally and straight. See straight. Okay. Make 0. Same style. Same. Other one.
Remember to safeguard the rope in your leg. Okay? Because if you coil, you throw, there is nothing in the hand. Which he was showing.
Ram.
So you bro. That's the rope. Okay? Secured in the leg. Throw. Once you throw, it's there. Got it? There you go.
ठीक है देखा okay then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 अभी ये क्या करना है यहाँ से then target mark inside ऐसे आउटसाइड नहीं टारगेट शोल्डर ठीक है
Do it with him. Do it with him. full-fledged. I went with the voice the same. He's drowning. You start when you start coiling the rope. So he starts drowning and you coil up. Oh, wait, I'm coming with the rope. Why we do